Alright guys, today we got a 2007 Ford Ranger 3.0. It was having a dreaded misfire that nobody could figure out. Compression was good. As you can see, we removed the passenger side head. It was having a misfire on cylinder number 3. And the coil pack tested good. All the spark plug wires were good. The injector was firing good. And everything was working pretty good. So, problem turned out to be the valve on cylinder number 3, the intake valve, was leaking. So, if you ever have a misfire on a Ford 3.0 and your injector is good and your coil pack is good and your spark plug wires are good and you ran through all the tests, 90% of the chance it's gonna be, even the compression tested good, tested 160. It was from the valve. So you're just gonna have to pop your head off, pop the springs out, and just relap the valves because of all this carbon buildup. It was blocking the valves. And always make sure that your spark plug is not cracked. Sometimes this porcelain cracks and causes a misfire. So if you already checked that out and that's not an issue, then for sure you have a problem in the head somewhere. And it's not too bad of a job. I'm not gonna show you how to tear it apart because I'm sure there's a whole bunch of videos out there, but that's what you need to do. Thanks.